here's what you can do to fix your Siri voice, which is not working on the iPhone. Let me walk you through some possible reasons and ways to fix it. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So Siri is like the built-in voice assistant, but you can find it in the settings that it has like its own dedicated menu, and you have to make sure that it all works fine, right? So for example, the way you can access it can be set up in the talk to Siri. So you can, for example, just press the button to access it, or also set up the like phrase to trigger this, right? So make sure that you actually get it to work, right? And when it comes to the actual voice that the Siri uses, you can find it in this section. So you can choose the variation of the language as well as like the different styles of the voice. So if one doesn't work, you can always switch to a different type to see if it was just a glitch or what happened to it. But most likely the switching of the voice can, make it work again. And also there are other things like the Siri responses and, allow Siri when the iPhone is locked. So perhaps you want to talk to it in that case, but it doesn't work through the settings, right? That's the thing that you can do. But if none of this helps, it's still possible that a simple restart of the whole iPhone might help you out, right? So you can restart the whole device to see if that makes any change. Or you can also check out the general section of your settings and see the software update. And if there isn't like a new update available, it would make sense to update it, because the only way to get like a newer version of Siri is by installing a new version of the entire iOS. So that's what you're gonna do as well to fix it if it's not working for some reason. But other than that, I believe that we should make it work. Let me know about it below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna talk to you later in the future tutorials as well.